Hey, good morning. So it's Christmas week currently. I had the most amazing opportunity to spend it up here on the Sunshine Coast in a very nice resort, proudly sponsored by my mum, of all people. But on a serious note, we're spending it up here, just kind of trying really hard to relax. It's a hard thing for me to try and do, but I think I'm semi-succeeding at it. Anyway, as part of this trip, I teamed up again with the guys at Mount Cravat Mazda, and they gave us this amazing Mazda CX-9. It's just a beautiful car, and I thought I would spend today going to some beaches, driving around, really putting it through its paces and showing you guys what I think about this awesome vehicle. Should we go just like get into the day or something like that? I reckon. Let's send it. Going to the beach today. Packing all my things. Am I vintage yet? Help it. Behind all the glamorous drone shots and beautifully created images is me. This is what I like to do best. I create not because I have to, but because it's fun. It's how I find my enjoyment.
Party's kinda lame, but a shame. I was kinda looking forward to it. Tell me why I don't deserve it. Then just do it to me anyway. It's okay. I was kinda looking forward to it.
We played on the beach and went for some swims, making sure we made the most of our time during our Christmas break. After a brief slurpee by the beach, we decided to take the Mazda into the wild and put it through its paces at sunset.
On the carpet, I've been trying my hardest. Darling, you and me are just not gonna work. Hey, hey, I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till I'm older. Maybe then I'll be sober. Maybe then I can show her that I'm not a piece of shit. Hey, hey, key to car, just for the fuck of it. Oh, this party's kinda lame. What a shame. I was kinda looking forward to it. Tell me why I don't deserve it. And just do it to me anyway. It's okay. I was kinda looking forward to it. wanna go start shit. Get a black eye and broken nose. I just wanna go start shit. I just wanna go throw some blows. I just wanna go start shit.